Prathista Industries Limited is one of Asia's largest Indian-based multinational company. In the 21st century, we are witnessing globalization, economic revolutions, digital revolutions with rapid progress in science and technology. We are witnessing many developments in all fields across the globe. In this process of growth and development of global scenario, India is playing a major role to develop innovations, and India is remarkably ahead in the field of information technology, science, computer science, biotechnology and other fields like chemicals and allied industries. Importantly, agriculture, which is the backbone for the country's development with respect to producing export quality food grains while protecting food safety and food security requirements for the country and also for global requirements. Gradually, India is becoming a center of power for many developing countries ever since new visionary Shri Narendra Modi ji has taken charge as Honorable Prime Minister of India. Hyderabad, the capital of Telangana state, is also the silicon capital of India, as well as seeds cultivation, followed by processing units and hub for pharmaceuticals and fertilizer industries. Dr. Sairam has established a biotechnology-driven company 20 years back in 1995 with the title Prathista Industries Limited, with a concept of converting waste into wealth project to manufacture ecology-protecting products and services using life sciences as major subject to create state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities.
Prathista Industries Limited has been incorporated to manufacture various biotechnology products for the first time in the country. The unique thing of Prathista is that we are always taken up new generation technologies which are being commercialized for the first time in the country using biotechnology process. We knew very well that we have to take and we have to accept a lot of challenges to upgrade or to cultivate any new technology in Indian conditions. We have established our own research and development center, which is recognized by Department of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology and National Laboratories, all of them under Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. We are manufacturing all our product range which are certified organic products.
Prathista Industries Limited is created as a joint venture project along with Technology Development Board, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, World Bank, Canara Bank Venture Capital Fund Limited, one of the largest nationalized banks in India. Prathista Industries Limited is a knowledge-based, technology-driven manufacturing company and is one of Asia's largest manufacturer of biotechnological products through fermentation methodologies without using any chemicals in the process. Prathista Industries Limited is the first company to commercialize aerobic and anaerobic technologies under one roof without any cross-contaminations in the process and producing world-class quality products catering the needs of human nutrition and pharmaceuticals, animal healthcare segments and ecology-protecting agriculture segment. Prathista Industries Limited is the first company in the entire globe to introduce pharmacology and human nutritional products for effective and 100% bioavailable, eco-friendly nutritional fertilizers for agricultural crops and plants. Also for livestock nutrition as effective nutritional feed supplements. Prathista Industries Limited is now Indian-based multinational company exporting products to more than 20 countries and having around 10 branches across the globe and enjoying ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 18001 certifications. Prathista Industries Limited, honored with more than 120 awards from India and abroad by various reputed government and semi-government agencies across the globe. Prathista Industries Limited is the first company to receive 2 presidential awards for its innovations and research efforts to introduce import substitutes with indigenously developed technologies by national laboratories like CSIR, Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, and ICAR, Indian Council for Agricultural Research.
Prathista have different approach in the human resource management and human relations. We, the management, personally take care to remove the differences between the team members and the management and also within the team members.
After the second green revolution with chemical fertilizers and allied nutrients, there was remarkable growth and development in agricultural and food grain production to meet the food security challenges for a growing population. However, vicious cycle and increased use of chemical fertilizers, while enhancing agricultural productivity, the soil health is badly affected, resulting in an imbalance of salinity and alkalinity in soil health, since chemical fertilizers do not provide required carbon to protect soil health and rather reduce soil microflora. This resulted in rise of weeds, pest infestation, environmental imbalance, water pollution due to the main reason of nutrients of chemical fertilizers are less available to the crops and plants, and major portion of nutrients are leached or evaporated or fixed with the soil. This bad situation is finally leading to health-related disorders across the globe. In order to overcome these bad effects, the farmers across the globe are adopting the concept of ecology protecting organic agricultural practices using vermicompost, manures, etc. However, there was a clean threat that the organic farming using vermicomposting and other manures will substantially reduce the agricultural productivity, as vermicomposting or application of any type of manures, biofertilizers do not provide required and optimum nutrients for all crops and plants. Thus, the farmers have to think twice about techno-commercial viability of organic agricultural practices using vermicomposting or application of any type of manures and biofertilizers, while government agencies have also to seriously consider the food security requirements for a growing population. Realizing the fact that food safety is the ultimate need of the hour to protect generations to provide residue-free food. Thus, the government has always encouraged the growth of industries related to ecology-protecting industries to develop innovative products to replace chemicals for safe agricultural practices. This initiative of government gave boost to many investors and progressive entrepreneurs to convert their technical ideas into commercial products. The government is continuously supporting such entrepreneurs to establish manufacturing facilities under private-public partnership programs and also encouraging joint venture projects in the fields of biotechnology and allied industries to protect environment and ecology protecting products and services. To meet these challenging tasks, Prathista Industries Limited developed the first of its kind state-of-the-art fermentation methodologies based joint venture manufacturing facility with the concept of recirculation of agricultural produces back to agriculture, using multiple organic acids as strong chelating compounds to manufacture organic carbon-based major and minor nutrients and also trace elements. Research and development activities, industry, academia interaction and collaboration programs is a passion for Prathista Industries Limited since day one in 1995 when the company was started. A team of young scientists and scholars are continuously working in the laboratory. Prathista R&D Center has done extensive work in collaboration with CSIR to upgrade this process. The most important fact and criticality of biotechnology is to cultivate microbes from test tube level to commercially available fermentation capacity. Different types of microbial cultures are cultivated under aerobic and anaerobic fermentation. For aerobic fermentation, it requires air compressors, sterilization and purification system, plus specially designed fermenter. The process involves developing of microbial population from test tube level to commercial fermenters level. In this process, glucose extracted from maize or broken rice is the basic raw material with required dose of nutrients. Microbes are developed from test tube to seed fermenters to sophisticated laboratory and finally to commercial fermentation facility in the production plant. Anaerobic fermentation process consists of important and critical infrastructure. Lactobacillus species are developed from test tube level to fermenter level, which is carried out under sophisticated and aseptic conditions. Sucrose is the basic raw material which require different media composition in fermenters. After fermentation process is done, the volume of fermentation broth undergoes the process of filtration, decolorization, evaporation and crystallization, purification, drying and then packing under aseptic conditions to manufacture high quality products. Presently, Prathista Industries Limited has established a facility with more than 1 million liters of commercial fermentation facilities, consisting of both aerobic and anaerobic facilities, and are producing various high-quality products catering to the needs of the following segments: human nutrition and pharmaceuticals, animal healthcare and livestock nutritional feed supplements, eco-friendly bioorganic nutritional fertilizers for safe agricultural practices. Prathista Industries Limited ensured to validate the products through established research activities at various agriculture universities in India and abroad, and also sponsored PhD and postgraduate programs to develop research theses and research articles which are published in many international conferences. This innovative practice adopted by Prathista Industries Limited has resulted in developing more than few hundred research publications based on innovative chelated nutrients with best cost-benefit ratio on various crops and plants across the globe.
Prathista R&D Center is considered to be the backbone of our industry. As far as the facilities are concerned, we are having all the necessary facilities in the area of fermentation by way of testing and by way of manufacturing. A team of scientists continuously work to upgrade the existing process, to develop new processes and to develop new products. Various universities, they have recognized our R&D center as a place where their MSc and the PhD students can come and they can do the research work in the area of microbiology, biochemistry and the biotechnology. Whatever we develop at the laboratory scale, we try that different parameters at the pilot scale plant, then that comes in the form of a product, and then finally we take that product for the field. Because this R&D center, we are also having the 20-acre agriculture research farm. First we satisfy the efficacy of the products in our agriculture research farm, then we give it to testing for the various agriculture universities in India and abroad. This is the way we develop the product, this is the way we develop the process, and this is the way we test the quality of that product in the field before really launching it to the market.
The research revealed that Prathista products are 100% bioavailable for all crops and plants and are proven to be beneficial and have no residue effect on crops and plants. Most importantly, the research proceedings proven that Prathista bioorganic fertilizers are potential replacements for inorganic and chemical fertilizers in a cost-effective manner. Based on repeated research activities under various agro and geoclimatic conditions, Prathista innovative bioorganic nutritional products are proven to enhance soil microflora and protecting groundwater from pollution, crops and plants. Thus, Prathista strongly believes in utilization of fertilizers is most important than application of fertilizers.
Prathista Industries has taken a new challenge and has developed a new generation of biotech organic form of fertilizers, both in granular form and liquid form. And these are being advocated for use in the farmers field by the farmers, so that the farmers, without causing any deleterious effect on their soil health, at the same time they can achieve the targeted production.
Few years back, Prathista Industries Limited has joined hands with Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Government of India, for development of nano-fertilizers and nano-micronutrients under National Agriculture Innovative Program, funded by World Bank, and successfully developed commercially fermentation technology for production of nano-fertilizers and nano-micronutrients. ICAR has tested the product's efficacy on various crops and developed safety data sheets to ensure that nano-fertilizers and nano-micronutrients are safe to use and will leave no residual effect on crops and plants. The major innovation is to produce nanopolysaccharides to provide effective utilization of organic carbon for the soil to improve soil health. Realizing the importance of nanotechnology concept, Prathista Industries Limited has adopted the process from ICAR and conducted extensive research to isolate nanofertilizers, nanomicronutrients and nanopolysaccharides from Prathista products based on multiple organic acids based chelated nutrients, and ensured nanofertilizers are made available along with existing carbon-based bioorganic fertilizers for the farming community. Thus, Prathista Industries Limited is now one of the pioneering manufacturing company under Make in India concept being promoted by the federal government to develop indigenously developed technologies, products and services so as to make India as a giant country for large economy in the globe. Considering the importance of India's vision, Dr. Sairam has developed Make in India project as a joint venture with Government of India with both technological and financial partnerships with the visionary approach.
We are working as a compatible industry with the chemical fertilizer manufacturing units because we are manufacturing 100% certified organic products for the first time in the country, and all these products are being supplied partly through even corporates like Sairam Fertilizers or Mangalore Fertilizers and Chemicals or Deepak Fertilizers and Chemicals. The Prathista team is striving very hard to bring up the organization vertically. So these products, the company is working as a compatible system along with the chemical fertilizer manufacturing units, so that we can reduce imports to India. We believing in providing best quality products to our esteemed customers and give them best services, after sales services, so that we can maintain sustainable relations for a win-win situation.
Presently, Prathista Industries Limited stands as a forerunner technology-driven organization in India and has become Indian-based multinational company while bridging the gap between science, technology and common man with its passion for vertical growth in agribusiness. Prathista Industries Limited.